What happens when an icon like the Bay Bridge is called into question? For Caltrans engineers, it's simple. It's about the facts, the data, and the analysis of that data. Last fall, the Bay Bridge Tower anchor rods were discovered by Caltrans engineers to be grouted at a subpar level. Ultrasonic testing also showed stripping of rods. It's important to note those rods, however, were not fractured. Caltrans is now taking appropriate steps to ensure proper fill of the rods and determine why such stripping actually occurred. They have constructed mock-ups, full-sized models of the anchor rods for demonstration and evaluation purposes.
So that in mock-up 2 we are more interested the load path between the 3-inch diameter rod and the grout. So the studs are not in the field, but we are using here studs so that our pipe will remain fixed.
These prototypes demonstrate the functionality of the anchor rod system. Significant time and attention have been spent on getting it right.
There's 3 potential failure modes. The first one is between the bond between the rod and the grout. The second potential failure mode is between the grout and the inside of the pipe sleeve. And the third potential failure mode is between the outside of the pipe sleeve and its bond with the concrete.
At this point, 2 mock-ups are being demonstrated. The team is simulating field conditions with and without the nut, testing rod to grout and grout to pipe sleeve bond. They're also verifying whether pipe sleeve to pile cap concrete bond strength is sufficient. As you see here, the anchor rods are being carefully wrapped in Denso tape, an anti-corrosion layer of protection. The grout is being placed on the mock-up, followed by water jetting operations. A borescope, an optical device consisting of a rigid or flexible tube with an eyepiece on one end and objective lens on the other, linked together by a relay optical system in between. This device is being used to confirm the conditions of the pipe sleeve surfaces. Thorough and proper analysis are the focus, as directed by the Toll Bridge Program Oversight Committee.
I'll be bringing this information back to the POC. I'll explain it hopefully clearly and effectively. And if I do my job, it will make their decision very easy. And my goal is to just have them let me finish up the rest of the bridge, which would include grouting up these rods. I'm really looking forward to that being done.
As tens of thousands of motorists cross the Bay Bridge every day, Caltrans is dedicated to ensuring their safety. For Caltrans Newsflash, this is Leah Robinson Leach.